Hi YouTube, I am just here to show you my son's room. I just redid it Dr. Seuss themed, so I just wanted to show it before he comes home and completely destroys everything. I still have a couple more things I need to do, but this is at least most of it, so I hope you all like it. Then I moved his toy box and everything over here. I found these all at Target in the dollar section. So those were pretty cheap. Obviously, most of this stuff is pretty cheap. Ignore my crazy mess. I made that with Mod Podge. Then I painted his dresser. And that's with just acrylic paint is what I used, not hardwood. This was his baby shower thing that everyone put their fingerprints on that my mom painted. And this was a board game that I found with the Dr. Seuss ABC board game. And then we added in that lamp because we needed another light in there. We did covered his glider because we do bedtime reading every night there. Then I painted and made these letters. Again, fairly inexpensive. He had wrecked a Cat in the Hat book, so I just used Mod Podge for that. My mom made these curtains, which are just red with like a darker red spot. Pretty simple. Let's see. And then I moved his bookcase in here, which he's getting like another 25 books for his birthday, I think. So that'll be pretty even more full. Then I did the truffula trees, which instead of pool noodles, because they were out, I used foam insulator things. Then I went to the dollar store and got the decorative palm things. I can't think of what they're called right now. So I did those. We got him this little pillow. Then I have his learning cube here, which again, for some reason, is not focusing. There we go. The Zany Zoo is that cube. Then we have a mirror, which that I actually am doing picture frames right now that are probably going to end up replacing that. And I'm probably going to do something for this door as well. And I still have to do a new theme for that, his actual bedroom door. And then up top we have his letters, which have been here pretty much like since he was born. So that is his room. I just wanted everyone to see it before he comes home and just wrecks everything, because he's 2 and that's what he does. And I hope you all liked it, and I hope you got some ideas. And if you need any if you have any questions or anything, sorry, I just blanked, just message below. And oh, my mom has a Facebook page, which is Finds, Fixes, and Flips, I think is what it's called. And I know she has an Etsy page, but I don't know if it's open yet or not. So go follow her on Facebook because she's pretty awesome. And she always has like some cool ideas. And I will do another video soon. Have a great day. Bye.